how to make money by writing online. So you're looking for a way in which you can earn from writing online. Maybe you want to even take it one step further and earn some serious cash or enough to quit your day job. Well, today I'm excited to share with you 5 of the best ways which I think you can use to get started from making money online. But I want to just tell you before I go ahead and show you these methods that none of them are get rich quick ways of making money. So you have to put in some time, some effort. But if you are made it to this video, then I'm sure that you are willing to give it the best that you've got and you want to take your life to the next level. So let's get started. My name is Rupesh, and this channel, along with my website passiveincomeforall.com, is to help you get started in the world of online business. Look, let's face it, there are a lot of folks there that are punting their businesses over other people's businesses, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. But the problem comes when you sign up for an offer or for a business opportunity that promises you the world, and at the end of the day you get nothing in return. So in other words, you get scammed. And that's the purpose of my channel and my videos, is to help you to find the best ways to making money online. So if you are brand new, firstly, a very, very warm welcome to you. But go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can be kept up to date on what is happening in the world of online business. So to get started with this video, I first want to chat to you a bit about the relationship between online businesses and the internet. You know that there was a time where people believed that the internet would not be a success at all and that its lifespan would be short-lived. For instance, take a look at this quote that I'm going to show to you. This was in the year 1995, February the 27th, and it was a quote by a famous American publication magazine called Newsweek. So this famous quote by Newsweek on 27th of February reads as follows: "The truth is, no online databases will replace your daily newspaper, no CD-ROM can take the place of a competent teacher, and no computer network will change the way government works." This was by Clifford Stoll, Newsweek magazine. And look where we are today. Today we are in the year 2020, which is 29 years later. And what has happened with the internet? It's soaring. I mean, we can access the internet via our phones. And I mean, even the American Newsweek magazine themselves, they have got their very own online publication website. And how exactly has the internet affected our lives, and why is it we should start an online business? Okay, we know that the internet is definitely here to stay, but how it's affected people's lives, we have seen a transition of your traditional brick and mortar businesses now going online. And in the process, a lot of people have lost their physical jobs. But we've also seen lots of more people shopping online. And I mean, when they're shopping online, they're shopping from finding their own soulmate, to shopping for cars, toys, clothes, books, you name it. So basically, internet is growing at an alarming rate. And as we speak, there's over 1 billion websites. And this tells you that there's an enormous opportunity for us to get involved. So having said it, let's check out the first method to making money by writing online. So the first method that you can use to get started by making money online is to start your own blog. Now, what is a blog? Basically, a blog is a website that is regularly updated with content, right, to engage a specific audience. So let's just say, for instance, you have an interesting subject that you love to talk about. Then why not take it onto the online space and start your own blog? The cool part about a blog is that it gives you the power to own your own piece of online real estate. But not only that, with a blog you are able to connect with other people who have the same likes as yourselves. You can use a blog to uplift people's lives, you can inspire people, you can even educate people. A blog can be as simple as a daily routine that you have, or it can be an online journal. It's really up to you. So let's take a look at some of the interesting facts about having an online blog. Competition can be fierce, but that really does depend on the niche or the topic that you choose for your particular blog. But here's a positive part, is that Google gets 3.4 billion visitors per day. So there's really no need to panic, because I believe there's enough for everybody within the online world. And just to get you started, here are some cool topics that you can choose when starting off your blog. You can go into the health field by having a health blog. You can talk about travel, gaming and tech blog, or you can even have a parenting blog. Here's an interesting Wikipedia fact. 75.8 million blogs were in existence in the year 2014. That was 6 years ago. Can you imagine what the figure is like today? Let's go on to the second method. You can make money by writing online. The second method that you can use to go ahead and make money by writing online is to become a freelance writer. Now, we all know that these days there are so many freelance websites that are springing up like mushrooms, and you can see sites like Upwork or TopDoll or even Fiverr, for instance. And the main purpose of these platforms is to bridge the gap between the buyer and you, the freelancer. So what is freelance writing all about? Well, a freelance writer is somebody who is self-employed and they're not necessarily connected to a full-time job. And what are some of the benefits that you get as a freelance writer? The main benefit of becoming a freelancer is that you got the freedom and the flexibility to choose what kind of assignments you want to do. Also, it can provide an alternative source of income, or say for instance somebody has lost their job or they got retrenched and unemployed, can provide for an additional source of income. Or even if you're a student and you are looking for a way to pay for the bills or for extra spending money. And the other benefit of a freelancing is that everything is online, so all you need is really an internet connection and to sign up with the right freelancing platform. So is it really worth your while to get started with the freelancing jobs? Look, some of the drawbacks is that depending on the platform that you sign, maybe you need a certain amount of experience, maybe 5 years or 10 years. It depends on what their requirements are. Only then, after a successful screening, will you be accepted to do the paid gigs. Look, freelancing jobs are not always guaranteed. It depends on the client. Whenever he or she needs something, you're at the right place at the right time, your birds are perfect, and then you can get the job. And then the pay rates. Sometimes you're going to have to start on a very small or a low level of pay until you get the experience, you get the reviews, and your reputation is built up, and after that you can start charging clients the higher fees. But for me, one of the major drawbacks of a freelancing job is I feel that your hard work is not getting the true recognition that it deserves. Look, this is just my opinion, but I feel that, if you're putting all the time, the money, the resources, the energy in writing a particular piece of article, then why not do it for your own website, where you can get visitors coming to your own website and you can make money from your own online business. But like I said, that's just my opinion. Let's check out the third way to make money by writing online. Okay, so this method talks about selling your own ebook. Now, what is an ebook? An ebook basically is a book publication that is available in an electronic format. So if you're an avid book reader yourself, then you can find your favorite publications which is available in an ebook format. And the advantage of having an ebook is that you can access this book across various devices such as computers, laptop, tablets, smartphones, and so forth. But also, if you want to get into the business, there are various publication services and training out there that will help you to get started. For instance, Amazon themselves, they have got an Amazon Kindle services which you can use, but you can also use other services such as Babe.com, Blurb, Lulu, BookBaby, and Ebook, to name a few. You also get to choose your own topic for your ebook, so it can be based upon a skill or a hobby that you may have. If you decide to sign up with one of these services, do take note that some of them may charge you a specific percentage of the sales that you make per book, or they may charge you a monthly fee. So just check out the terms and conditions before you sign up to them. But now, one of the main drawbacks to having an ebook business is that you may not always hit the jackpot or get a bestseller with your first book, but keep trying and you will definitely get there. I know that it will take time, but I can't wait to hear your success story. So when you hit the jackpot with your bestseller, pop in here by our channel and give us a comment on it. Looking forward to hearing your success stories. Let's check out method number 4 to making money by writing online. Okay, so the fourth method is to start your own online course. So share it, educate people, impact people's lives, and at the same time make money from your online course. Now I know this method is a bit different from the other methods that I mentioned because it may not just involve writing online. Depending on the course topic that you choose or the subject that you choose, you may need to shoot videos or may need to face the camera. Now I know that can be a bit challenging, but here are some of the facts is that people gravitate to videos. Yeah, people are visual by nature. I mean, if you look at some of the social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, I mean even YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. So that tells you that people gravitate to watching videos. So here's my message to you. If you're thinking of doing an online course, then initially it might seem a bit intimidating. Yes, it may take you out of your comfort zone, but give it a chance. Go along with the process, take your time, and who knows, you might even enjoy the process towards the end. Look, one of the main drawbacks of creating your own online course is that it may take some time to get it off the ground. You know, you may need to get acquainted with specific software programs that you need to use. You may need to buy lighting and audio equipment and that kind of thing. But the cool part is once your course is created, then you just need to make a few tweaks here and there, and you're good to go. What are some of the main advantages of having your very own online course? Take a look. So as I said, once your course is created, it's your property, and more importantly, it becomes a piece of online real estate. In other words, it gives you the opportunity to earn passive income. People will register for your course from all parts of the world, and you just have to take in registrations. And there's just like the ebook story, there's various platforms that can help you to get started. Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific. And the cool part is that you don't really need sophisticated topics to get started with your own online course. I have seen folks use topics such as copywriting, dog training, how to fly a drone, dating, leadership skills, personal finance, and the list goes on and on. Now, this brings us to the final method to make money by writing online. Okay, so now we've come to the last method to making money by writing online, and that is using affiliate marketing. Now, before you think that affiliate marketing, you need to be some great salesperson or something, trust me, that's not what you have to do. I've used the process for the past 4.5 years, and I've started from a completely different background. I come from the health field. But what is affiliate marketing? Well, it's no more complex than recommending a good book that you've read or a movie that you've watched, or even if you've eaten at a specific restaurant to a family member or a friend. And let's just say they went out to go and purchase that book, or they watched a movie, or they ate at that restaurant. Based upon your recommendation, then you were a successful affiliate marketer. The only thing is, you never get paid for recommending these products or services to your family member or friend. So this is what affiliate marketing is. Online affiliate marketing is basically a commission-based business model where you earn a commission for recommending products or services via your website. That is it. That is what affiliate marketing is. In fact, let me show you the process of affiliate marketing. The first step to affiliate marketing is you basically have to choose an interest or a topic for your particular website. So let's just say if you have a skill or you have a hobby that you're passionate about it, you can use that as a basis for your website. Look at it this way. If you have that particular interest or skill, then the chances of somebody else anywhere else in the world will have that same interest. That means you already have a potential client. Cool. The second step is to build your own website. Now, this teaching platform that I use will actually help you to get your own website framework within 30 seconds. So you don't even have to be technically minded to start building your own online affiliate marketing business. The third step, to attract visitors, and this is where you learn the process of building content for your websites so that your articles can get ranked favorably on the website, on Google and search engines, and that will allow people to visit your website. And then the final part, which is the best part, and that's when you get paid commissions for selling products and services from your website. So that's the overall process of affiliate marketing. The main advantage of having your own affiliate marketing business, first of all, you don't need any experience to get started. It's totally a newbie-friendly method. It offers you flexibility, so you can work in your own time and space. Say, for instance, you have other commitments like your job commitments or family commitments. You only need a few hours a day, not even a few hours a day. Even if you put half an hour to 45 minutes a day, you at least put in time into building your very own online business. And the teaching platform that I'm going to introduce you to, they have training that are offered in small chunks. So it's not like it becomes so overwhelming to learn the process of your affiliate marketing business. And then I think the best benefit of an affiliate marketing business is it'll offer you the potential to earn a passive income online. So as you start building your website in the future, it becomes an online real estate business, just like we've seen with your ebooks and just like we've seen with your online courses. So how do you get started with your affiliate marketing business? Let me show you. You can get started with affiliate marketing by joining my #1 recommendation, which is called Wealthy Affiliate. They are an affiliate marketing teaching platform or online university, which is what I like to call it. Just click on the link in the video description and you will be taken to a landing page on my site. It will tell you much more in detail, and you'll see the testimonials. You'll see everything that you need to know about WA and how it can benefit you. They have the top-notch training, support, and every tool that you need. They also got a free trial membership that you can check out. But I personally recommend that if you are serious about wanting to take things to the next level, go for the paid membership. So we've come to the end of the video. I hope that you have found some value in this video, and I hope that it has helped you out. If you have any questions or any comments, please do not hesitate to leave them below, and I look forward to hearing from you. I'd like to leave you with one last quote for today. Successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Don't wish it were easier. Wish you were better. Thanks once again for stopping by. I value your time. I hope that once again it has helped you out. For more information, please check out my website, passiveincomeforall.com. And to be kept up to date, once again, please subscribe to my channel. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Do take care and wish you everything of the best in your online future. Take care. Goodbye.